today I'm going to review the Lincoln Tom 12 to 24 volt 12 LED warning strobes. The kit I bought on Amazon came with 4 of these lights. I've got 2 in the front and I had 2 in the rear, but I took them off because they were on my headache rack, which I removed. So I bought these for $34 and I bought them actually in July of 2020. So it is now March of 2022. I've had them on for about a year and a half, a little more than that, and they've held up really well. So the lights, like I said, they come with 4 lights, a controller, a 12 volt adapter that you can plug inside the cab like in your cigarette lighter, or you can hardwire it to the truck, which is what I did so that it could run while the engine was off. They have 8 strobe patterns and one of those includes solid. I'll go through all those strobe patterns in just a minute. Overall, I am going to give this product a 5 out of 5 star review because I have 1 con and a long list of pros here. So let's run through the pros. First of all, they're affordable. They've lasted a long time for $34. They've been on the truck almost a year and a half, and I noticed no water or anything getting in them. They're easy to mount. The installation was easy, and they have versatile locations. So yeah, overall, those are all the pros. The cons, there's not enough cord length that comes with it to run lights in the back of the truck. So I think it comes with 6 feet of power cord, like 3 feet for the 12 volt adapter. There wasn't quite enough. So the shop that I had install these charged me $100. It's just a custom truck shop. They mounted these on the front and on the headache rack in the back, and they ran some extra wire through, I guess, I don't know, it was zip tied to the chassis and then went up to the headache rack. So the only con I have is that they didn't have enough cord length, but what do you expect with a $34 light from Amazon? So now I'll run through the different strobe patterns. They do have a solid option. These are pretty bright, so unless you're like running, I don't know, lights in the desert for solid ambers, I wouldn't normally keep these on at night just because they are a little bit brighter than like your turn signals are. But I guess that's not a bad thing. So now we can look at the strobe patterns. Alright, so what I did, this is the little control box that came with it. It's got the power button, so that's off, on, and then this is just to toggle between the different modes. So we ran that with a wire under here, and then he took it into past the firewall. Like I said, I wanted to have this hardwired. You could also have it plug into like a 12 volt cigarette lighter there, but I wanted to be able to run it while the truck was off. So he ran it and it's grounded and just powers right there. So straight to the battery. Got the wires coming out there, I believe, and then he put them behind the grill. So they took the grill off, I believe, and then, you know, it comes with some screws and some mounts like that. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with these lights. I was honestly kind of concerned because for $34, wasn't too sure how they would hold up over the time. But a year and a half later, they're still doing good.